Are you selling products that require installer companies to deliver the installations, or are you facilitating installations on behalf of other companies who require your services? If you care about your customers, if you care about your business making more money, you should definitely make sure to own your own workflows and be able to adjust them within seconds and not within weeks. And that is what I'm going to show you now in the platform, how we at Installer.com has built the most flexible and dynamic workflow builder in this industry. So if I now go over on the workflow view, you will see that there is a lot of different workflows here. You can build them within seconds. Adding a new workflow is super easy. You can add components, whether it's bookings, documentation, offerings, everything you need to customize your perfect workflow. So let's just have a look at one of the existing ones that I've created here. And the first thing you see here is that there's a lot of different steps. These steps are tailored to optimizing for the installer companies to deliver the installation of this product and to make sure that the customer has a great customer experience. Here you can easily add new steps to your workflow. You can go in, see what's being communicated both to the installer company and the customer. If you need to change who's doing what, you can see on the right side here that we can select the actor. Is this something me as a business need to do? Is it something the installer that I've chosen should do? Or is it the end customer in their white labeled customer portal should do? And of course, when you're building workflows, being able to send the notifications to both the installer company and the end customer is really important. So what we've done is that we've built the most advanced notification center where you can tailor everything. If you need any documents to be included, whether it's like product guides, installation guides, etc., all of this can also, of course, be added. Another really important aspect of building the perfect workflows for your products and services is, of course, understanding the underlying analytics. What is happening? And this is often a black box for many. But at Installer.com, we have built the most advanced workflow analytics dashboard. So that means that our customers can go into reports, press workflow analytics, and suddenly get an overview over all the different workflows they've built across their products and services. They can immediately understand how long does the various workflows take? Where do we have bottlenecks across all of these workflows? How many orders are affected? How much revenue is affected? And how is this affecting the end customer experience? So by digging into these data and continuously optimizing your workflows, you will be able to improve your customer experience. You will be able to reduce operational costs. And of course, you have a much quicker path to revenues. This real-time visibility into every single job is the difference between you and your competitors in terms of providing both a great digital customer journeys and getting the installer companies to prioritizing delivering your jobs. So if you care about your customers, if you care about your business making more money, you should definitely make sure to own your own workflows and be able to adjust them within seconds and not within weeks.